In this video, we're gonna talk about the top 10 bust muscle building exercises. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Every man who is interested in fitness has a favorite methodology, piece of equipment, or program. Some people choose to circuit train every day while others follow bodybuilding regimen, and still others pursue a variety of fitness fads. However, regardless of your method, some exercises have lasted the test of time. Every serious lifter's regimen should include these exercises. Make sure to include these in your workouts if you're serious about your gym habit. The top 10 bust muscle building exercises are listed here. Number 10. Single arm Smith machine row. This bad boy is essentially a Smith machine assisted single arm dumbbell row. It's a fun and different way to work your lower lats. With a split stance and bent knees for balance, stand sideways to the machine, grabbing the bar towards the middle and keeping your body close to the unit. Your body may swing a little as you bring the bar up as high as you can to make the movement natural, which is fine. Perform this exercise 8 to 10 or 10 to 12 reps towards the end of your back regimen. Because the exercises are comparable, use it instead of the single arm dumbbell row. Number 9. Decline bench dumbbell pullover. Backwards pullovers. Absolutely. This one looks a lot like straight arm cable pull down you're undoubtedly used to. Although this is a single joint technique, it allows you to focus on and torque your lats. When compared to a flat bench, the decline variant puts lats under tension for a longer range of motion. Simply make sure the dumbbell clears your head before dropping it on the floor behind you. Single joint motion should almost always be done last in your body part regimen. Maintain a high rep range of 12 to 15 each set for a great finishing pump. Number 8. Single arm dumbbell row. This is a fantastic unilateral exercise that allows you to transfer a lot of weight because each side works independently. When you train unilaterally, you will have more range of the motion and won't be considered if your weaker side fails first. You may also be able to better support your lower back, which has likely already taken a beating from placing one hand on a bench. Allowing a little degree of the trunk rotation may also engage more core musculature. This exercise focuses on your lower lats unless you purposefully flare your elbow out wide. For sets 10 to 12, do it anytime from the middle to the finish of your workout. Number 7. Close grip pull down. Because we are already covered the wide grip pull up, the wide grip pull down seemed too similar, so we went with a close grip handle. According to EMG study, a near neutral grip activates the lats in the same way that a conventional grasp does, so you are not missing out on any muscle fibers. As with the pull-ups, a close grip allows for a wider range of motion and more time under strain for the lats, which is beneficial for muscle growth. This exercise can be utilized to warm up your shoulders, but it's best employed toward the end of your workout for sets 8 to 12 reps when used as a mass building exercise. Slow down your reps on these, squeeze hard at the bottom of each rep, and stretch out at the top. Number 6. Reverse grip Smith machine row. There are two types of reverse grip movements. The biceps become more important, and the lower region of the lats becomes the goal as the elbows pull back closer to your side. Because you don't have to worry about balancing the Smith machine, you can focus just on pulling as much weight as possible. When you are pounding out the big sets, bend over approximately 45 degrees, staying close to the bar, and expect a little help from your hips and knees. The fixed plane of the movement and ability to truly manage a weight, think tempo of 4 seconds up or 4 seconds down, can be both a unique and humbling exercise for certain gym goers. A single reverse grip action is all you need in your workout. After your strong overhand pulls, do it around halfway through your workout. Don't be scared to use wrist straps at any time throughout your back workout. Your goal is to pound your back and put it through the ringer, not to be restricted by your grip strength all of the time. Number 5. Wide grip seated cable row. On rows, almost everyone uses the close grip bar by default. If that is you, a wide grip on late bar will provide a welcome change of pace by shifting part of the attention to the upper lats. Wide rows are similar to several back machines, so don't combine the two in your workout until you make other adjustments, such as grip or target rep range. You may also try inverting your grip and going around your shoulder width apart, which will target the lower lats more effectively because your elbows will be closer to your sides. Cables like machines are best done at the end of the workout. Select a weight that allows you to perform no more than 12 reps. Number 4. Standing T-bar row. Choose the T-bar row over the chest-supported variant since you can put on a lot more weight here, even if it means cheating a little via the knees and hips. Maintaining a flat back can be difficult for certain people, therefore the supported version is a preferable option. Because these on squats maintain your legs bent at an angle throughout, you can usually choose from a variety of hand positions and widths. The lats will benefit from wider grip, while the center back will benefit from a neutral holds, rhomboids, terraces, and traps. This is perhaps one of the more straightforward exercises. This should be done in the first half of your workout. Instead than finding weight around with this movement, concentrate on the back stretch of the contraction. If you are a seasoned lifter, go for 25s instead of 45s and allow a tiny protraction of the scapula at the bottom of each tap to increase range of motion. If you do this, remember to reset with a flat back before pulling again. Number 3. Wide grip pull-up. A pull-up is one of the best overhead pulling movements to include in your back regimen. Pulling up with a wide grip are great for targeting the upper lats. A closer grip may allow for a broader range of motion, but because of an optimum starting joint position, the wide grip pull-up may be able to load to a larger degree. Most trainers' largest issue is training to failure in the correct rep range for growth, which is 8 to 12 reps. You may need to use a weighted belt if you do pull-ups early in your workout. If you are having trouble, utilize an assisted pull-up machine or a combatant spotter, or switch to the wide grip pull-down, which is a suitable substitute. Pulling behind the head is acceptable if your shoulders are healthy. Form is crucial in this situation. The scapula should be retracted at the starting position and your shoulder blades should be pulled down and near each other before beginning the pull. Because the pull-up range of motion is so wide, many modest reps are excellent shoulder warm-up moves. Pull-up should be pushed to the top of your workout to ensure optimal shoulder joint posture because form is so critical. Number 2. Bent over barbell row. In terms of raw weight you can lift, this is perhaps the second best back movement. According to EMG study, hitting bent over barbell row works both the upper and lower back's bigger muscular groups equally, making this an excellent overall back builder. This is another complex motion, like the deadlift, that needs good form yet rewards you with a lot of muscle. Begin your back workout with bent over rows for heavy sets in lower rep ranges, such as 6 to 8 or 8 to 10. The Smith version is a good substitute. It keeps you in the vertical plane, but your body must be perfectly aligned with the bar, because the bent over barbell row places a great lumbar strain on your lower back than many other back exercises. It's best done early in your workout to protect your lower back. If you're exhausted from deadlifts, you might want to omit this exercise. Number 1. Barbell deadlift. This isn't really a back workout because it works the entire posterior chain from calves to the upper traps, but it's the best for general backside development. With the deadlift, technique is crucial, but if you have it down, you can advance to lifting monster weights that will activate maximum muscle, release muscle building hormones, and aid in your growth. You may also use one of the several deadlifts progression programs to help you achieve new personal bests. When it comes to strength and conditioning, physiologists love to recommend the deadlifts since it hammers your musculature and is one of the finest ways to enhance your bone structure. On back day, stick to traditional deadlift. Other modifications, like as the popular sumo style, boost the activity of muscles other than the back. If you are going heavy, less than 6 reps per set, start with deadlifts to keep your muscles fresh. Deadlifts can be done late in your workout if you are performing them for repetitions. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go.